पुलिस सिस्टम एक ऐसा सिक्का है जिसके दो साइड होते हैं, एक साइड लॉ और दूसरा ऑर्डर। कभी कभी ऑर्डर बनाए रखने के लिए लॉ को बलि चढ़ाना पड़ता है।
We all know him as a Hindi film hero. He's worked for 25 years or more maybe, what he's given to this industry. And he was the only actor among the people we approached who said, I was waiting for something like this. You know that person will walk that extra mile, which is very rare in Hindi cinema. Class of '83 is a Netflix original film. In terms of the story, it had a scope for tragedy, it had the scope for drama, it had the scope for relationships, and a police drama which we have not seen, at least in this country.
Atul and his team, they've researched a lot and picked up a lot of instances from here and there, maybe some stories, some rumors, some real incidents, and put them together in the story of one man played by Bobby Deol, which for me is extremely exciting to get Bobby to come and play a role like this.
It's an exciting cop drama, and I'm playing Vijay Singh, who's a very honest cop. Finally, I was getting a chance to do something totally different from what I've done in all my movies.
IPC सेक्शन 107 से 117 जब दो या उससे ज्यादा लोग मिलके कोई क्राइम करने का प्लान बनाते हैं.
Bobby for us was a dream because he wanted to experiment. Not many people want to experiment and play the age because it's a story which spreads over a decade.
It's a character who's a father, who's a husband, and at the same time who loves his work.
He's an idealist policeman, who's chasing his own purpose of what he lost out on and how to at least finish this one unfinished business.
And in a situation he is in, who's fighting all odds, he sacrifices a lot. He's pushed away from his job and he's given a punishment posting where he becomes a dean at this academy to train new cadets.
It's about a batch we passed down in '83. These guys who came out from this particular batch were identified by one particular gentleman who groomed them.
They don't want to work under anyone's command because they think the same way as I used to think. If you try to work according to your superiors, they'll always not let you achieve and catch gangsters or the criminals.
An honest, upright cop who happened to be the mentor to these policemen who later on became the encounter cops. Most difficult thing to cast for this film was the cadets because we went through rounds and rounds and rounds of auditions and auditions and auditions.
ऊंची आवाज में किससे बात कर रहे थे? पब्लिक जैसे बस हो गई। मुश्किल से मिलते हो ये क्या है? आग दिखा, आकड़ दिखा, बस हो गई।
The underworld was really prevalent in the 90s, so when they were trained in 80s and when they were in the service in late 80s and the 90s, and that is where the idea came from.
Bombay has a lot of history, but to find Bombay which exists in 80s is tough for us. For simple reason, you have got mobile antenna, DTH, you've got cable, the cars have changed, the whole landscape has changed, and Bombay is growing vertically.
So a lot has changed because of global terrorism in terms of the kind of research you can do. Accesses are very difficult now. There were two things. One was the art house movies from the 80s because those people went for what was real in those days. The other thing, the real treasure trove was the films divisions of India, which has tons of documentaries and it's a resource which is rarely used by filmmakers. We have tried to recreate as much as we could within the locations that we had.
It's a very real kind of a character, so behave in a pattern which is a cop.
We hired somebody from the police training academy, had to get everything right from the body language to the way, because there's a certain formality to the salutations. Primarily, it's a character piece, this movie. So the action, whatever happens from the point of view of the characters. The key sequence of it, which happens on a ship, because it ties up to the story.
Actually, it's more like a cop in a situation fighting and trying to catch gangsters. It's the correct proportion. So most of the action was intensely shot. For me to get something more exciting and enter into something which is totally different from the mainstream cinema, a very well-made feature film. So that's what '83 is all about.